Hello, welcome back to this episode of the training course. We are still on the sourcing. Segment of this training. So now we are on how you can contact your seller. How to contact the seller when you want to order something. How you can contact them for negotiation. So let's quickly go. Let's quickly do that. How you can contact the seller. Contact the seller on a Chinese domestic side is more difficult than on international side, where English is the primary language when you are trying to contact them on international side, which is probably the site is already in English. Therefore, here are my tools or app I use to contact them, employing translators to translate in Chinese from English for me. So the first application that I use is WeChat, and then the second one is QQ. These two apps all belongs. These are social media platform owned by the Chinese, and it has more people from Asia, especially China, using it. Almost all the citizens of China uses either of these platform. So you can easily get to contact any seller on the domestic side like 1688. Contact them through WeChat or QQ. So let's quickly go to the browser and see. Let's go and see how we can contact them, how we can operate this app. For this tutorial purpose, I'm going to use this Android emulator, and instead of using my phone, I couldn't get my phone screen here directly, so we'll be using this version of Android. So let's say this is your phone. So you're expected to first, I've already installed the application. Here is it, QQI and WeChat. QQ, we have two versions. We have the QQ Indigenous, which is the Chinese one. Everything about that is in Chinese language. And QQI, which is also the QQ International, is for international users, where you can get other languages like English. Then we have WeChat. So let's say on your phone, you just head to Play Store. And type let's say the first one we need is WeChat. Because I've already installed it, you can see it over here. Then let's go to Play Store. Let's see how it looks like. I'm sure you already know how to go about installing. So here WeChat, you just tap on it to install, and this is QQ International. It's already installed, so we don't need to do all that again. So let's open WeChat first and see how the application looks like. So this is how it looks like when you open it on your phone. When you open the application on your phone, this is how it looks like. It will load, and you sign up. You sign up for an account. So you can see, try, and it has been bold. So this is how it is. So when you open it for the first time, you just go to sign up so that you create an account for yourself. So first check the region, because I'm using this version of Android. The location is set to Canada. So whichever country you are, you set your country region. I am in Ghana, West Africa right now, so I'm going to choose Ghana. Go to G, you can see Ghana there. So it changes to Ghana. So you have to put in your name, your full name. My name is Emmanuel, so I'm going to put Emmanuel over there. Yeah, you put in your full name, then you enter your phone number, leaving this first zero. So I'll start from 020 31,722. Then you choose a password for yourself. Let me see, can do 2018. That'll be my password. I can do 2018. Okay, this will be my password. Then you click on sign up. An SMS will be sent to your phone. So let me accept the privacy policy. Then go ahead with creating of my WeChat account. When I go to verification, I'll click on start so that I can receive the SMS to verification code. So you can see it's loading. Network. Okay, this is browser that I have to solve. Okay, and now I'll be waiting for verification code. So this is basically how you go about signing up on WeChat. The same procedure you would have to apply for QQ, but due to time I wouldn't sign up for QQ. Maybe if time will permit us, I'll do that, but I'm not sure that I will be doing all that. But I'll be focusing more on WeChat, because more of them are on WeChat. There is this thing you have to understand about it, that almost if you have any Chinese phone number, anybody's phone number, have phone number, and the person is registered to WeChat or QQ, you can use the phone number to find the fellow, on use the phone number to find a person. So the code is this 2326, I think, if I'm not forgetting. Okay, it's 2326. You just type in the code and then next, then to verify. So you just tap on OK, and you are done with the sign up. You are done with the sign up of your WeChat account. What happened? Okay, we are signing in. So you can see on your phone the contacts saved on your phone. If they are on WeChat, you will see them. This is my Gmail, so I have my contacts already synced, so you can see. So let's see how you can go about. You can go ahead and get an ID for yourself by going to settings and doing the rest of that, setting up your account, security, general stuff. So let's see, we want general. Okay, I think I'm in the right place. Okay, we come to security, the ID, so you can just click here and then get a custom ID for yourself. That'll be my custom ID. Let me just save it. So instead of someone adding your chat on WeChat with your phone number, you can just give out your ID name to the person, and the person can easily locate you on WeChat. So that is how easy it is to sign up on WeChat. That is how easy it is to sign up on WeChat. So that it is, you can do a lot of tweaking to your WeChat account. You can just get up and then tweak it, set it up more for more securities. So how do you go about adding a friend when you get it? Let's first go to our browser to go about how we can find seller ID for ourselves. So let's say we are looking for the contacts of this seller. Normally you can find the QQ or WeChat contact within the description. At times they put it there. Some, when you don't see it there, you find it in their contacts. So this is the seller's bar, so you can get all information over here. So you just click on that to get their contact. So with this, you can even see the contact is first displayed. So this is one of the contacts. This is their phone contact. Some of them display more contacts. This is their phone contact. So you just copy it. You copy it, head to WeChat, then you go to add contact, then you see if I can paste. think. Okay, I can so always ignore the country code and start from let's try 05057 7057 587 543907. So let's see if this number has been registered to WeChat. You can see no contact has been found, so we would have to find another way to get the contact. So this is one way. I want to find a product so that we can do this very quick. Flash drive really quickly, which is software product, so we can use that as case study. And quickly find it. So since we couldn't find the contact of the seller, we can also go. Let me also try this. Put one there. Okay, that will not happen, so let me just find another seller. So at times it's easier getting this contact on mobile, so let me change the view to mobile view so you get the other trick at once when you are using mobile phone. Let me change the view to mobile phone view. Okay, let's pick it. I'm just picking at random because I've already talked about how to search for the product in the previous video, so we are just trying to get contact here. So this is how it looks like when you are using mobile. So mobile, you click on this icon, so it sends you to the store, so you see all the product that the seller sells. It sends you to the store. This is one of the way you can get the contact of the sellers. Okay, let's first check the descriptions. If the seller has displayed their contact within the description, you can see here on their at the top, at the header, you can see this contact over here. This is it. You can use this to contact them, to add them on WeChat, or you look within the description if there is any, or you can equally use the contact info to get their full contact information. So let me head back. When it gets here, this, let me translate it so you know. So you understand what all this is about. So the mobile view, this is how it looks like when you are using the mobile view. I'm trying to show you the other trick to quickly get the contacts. You can see they've made available the contact here, so you can just copy this and add it. So let's quickly find this contact and see how it looks like when you are about to add. Okay, 8071 90 50 97. So you just go ahead and search. Okay, you can see, which means this number has been added to WeChat, but because it's a Chinese person, his name is already in Chinese language. So this is how you go about. You set the remarks and tags so that you can easily identify who you are adding. So so you can either clear off all the name. Or you add, for this is OTG seller, so you add OTG flash drive to his name so you can easily identify. In the tags you can add something, so when you're searching it within your long list of people, you can easily get. Then in the description, something that you can use to remember who is this. So the best I like to do is copy and paste their store URL, the product URL, so that when the person asks me later, I can know. You copy and paste it there. The copy and paste wouldn't work here, so I'm just putting it, so I know this seller, this is where I'm getting it from. I can add a brief description to identify him easily, then I'll save that. So, and go to add. When I come to add, some of them understand English, some of them do not, but you can only know after they have added you. So you can just send this friend request to them. So and so, please add me. You can choose to write something there. You can just choose to send the request, or you can say please add me, or you can still go ahead and make the card and play the game well by translating and sending the request in English. Please add me, want to make an order. So the translator translates it for you, then you copy and you paste. I'm not sure I can paste. It's not allowing me to paste. So when you paste it, then you just hit on send. So whenever the person gets back, the person will see the request, just like you send Facebook requests to your colleagues. The same thing happens when the person will add you and message you. Then you can go ahead with any discussion, any inquiries you want to make. So this is how you go about contacting sellers. This is how you go about contacting. You can still use the phone number to add them. You can add them using the you can still use the phone number to find them on QQ. QQ is also just like how do you call it, WeChat. It also does the same thing, so you can add them using that system. Then boom, you are ready to chat, negotiate, bargain for price, for your customization of everything. You are good to go, just like you do when you have a friend on Facebook. You do. So that it is for how you can go about contacting the sellers. Very easy to do, no need to spend money for international calls, and then everything may become very easy. So thank you, see you in the next video. Bye bye.